There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wind can be turned away, and a chanted moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? Is where we are.
Welcome back to Tiny Paws TV. Please consider subscribing to watch these babies get bigger. I cannot believe one is almost walking already. They are only a week and 3 days old. I love watching them grow up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.